Well, this house fits the description of one of the most sought-after types of homes in Calgary. A large, newer walkout bungalow. And you know what? They did everything right when they built this home. Come on inside and have a look. You're gonna love this place. Well, you know, when you walk in this home, first thing you notice that's really impressive is, wow, these high ceilings and the amount of natural light coming in this home, absolutely crazy. It has the all-important formal dining room with a skylight. Your home office, your den, right at the front of the home is what everybody wants. And you make your way into this fantastic open concept floor plan. This kitchen works perfectly. It's spacious, there's lots of room in here. I mean, you could have 4 people cooking at the same time. And it's so nice to have it just open to the rest of the main floor. It's one of the reasons I love it. And you can bring your groceries in right from the garage and bring them right into the kitchen. Well, you'll also notice there's a really cool eating area here. French doors going off onto your patio, and you get to look out over all that nice green space. Well, this family room is absolutely awesome. I mean, look at the size of these windows. There is so much natural light coming in here. They go almost to the top because you've got these large vault ceilings. Beautiful fireplace here with the nice mantle. Just great in the wintertime to cozy up to that, but I can tell you there's a lot of room here for furniture pieces. Well, we're in the primary bedroom, and this is a large bedroom, and I actually really like it because they have a king-size bed in here, and you'll notice there's plenty of room for large furniture pieces. And how about this? French doors off to another patio? How nice is that? And it leads to the all-important spacious ensuite. Let's go in there and take a look. Well, this ensuite is large. It's nice. You've got the 2 sinks, large vanity, large soaker tub, decent sized shower. I love that they put in a skylight in here. It's so nice to have natural light in here. I don't know about you, but I love these spiral staircases, and they don't do a lot of them anymore because they're expensive. Then you come down here to this walkout basement. Wow is the word, because it is gorgeous. You have all kinds of windows here, so it doesn't feel like you're in a basement. French doors right out to the patio. They've got a pool table set up, so there's plenty of room if you want to have billiards or a ping pong table. They put a 3-sided fireplace in, and just on the other side of the fireplace is you have another workspace. So if you are working from home, you have another office down there. Well, of course, what makes the perfect walkout bungalow is to have 2 more large bedrooms in the lower level, along with the full bathroom. I'm telling you, this is the perfect basement. You gotta come see this home. Who doesn't love to have a backyard that backs right onto green space? So even when you're sitting down here in the walkout basement, you're just looking out over a little bit of green area. There's a beautiful walking path behind us. So if you have a dog, you can take your dog along the walking path in the morning. That just makes this house even more desirable. It doesn't get any better than this. For this price range, you gotta come and see this home. Now, if you have a real estate agent, call your agent. You can book a viewing whenever it's convenient. If you don't have a real estate agent, call me, and we'll make arrangements to have you look at this home as soon as you can.